Hello everyone, imagine this. You're juggling multiple tasks, coordinating meetings, and sending follow-up emails, all while trying to stay on top of your schedule. What if there was a way to automate this entire process, saving you time and effort? Today, we'll show you how to build a seamless automation using n8n that connects your Telegram bot, Google Calendar, and email service. With this powerful workflow, you can schedule meetings, create calendar events, and send personalized emails, all triggered by a simple chat message. Your workflow springs into action. It extracts the details from your message, creates a calendar event for the meeting, crafts a professional email confirmation using OpenAI, sends the email to the recipient, and finally, it responds on Telegram, letting you know everything's been taken care of. This isn't just automation, it's efficiency, simplicity, and brilliance rolled into one. Ready to bring your productivity to the next level? Let's dive in and create this game-changing workflow together. So here is the structure of overall workflow. Now let's build it from scratch. First, we add a Telegram trigger module. Now next step is to set up your Telegram bot. First, go to Telegram and create a new bot using BotFather. I have already generated it. Copy the API token and paste it into the Telegram trigger node in n8n. Now execute the trigger. Now add an AI agent module. In this, grab the text message from the trigger. After that, in this, we use Grok chat model. For using Grok, you have to generate the API key from console.grokU.com. Here you have to sign up first. I have already signed up. You see the API key section. Generate the API key and paste it to the chat model. Now add a tool module in AI agent, which is Google Calendar tool. Here you have to add a Google account. To add a Google account, after that, create operation and event. Select the email and use these configurations. Now next module is OpenAI Message, a model module. In this, we use OpenAI to write an email. To do this, firstly, we need to generate the OpenAI API key from platform openai.com. I have already generated the key. So just click on Credentials, paste the API key here. Now select any of the model that you want and write a system message like this. Now next is to add a Gmail send module. Here you have to generate the OAuth client ID and client secret from Google Cloud Platform. Add that account also. And after that, grab the mail ID from message content and write subject and pass the AI agent output. You have to do these configurations like this. Now final is to respond with the text message. Just add a Telegram send message module. you're past the chat ID and AI agent output in text, you have to do these like this. Now we have generated the workflow successfully. Now it's time to test the workflow. Click on Test Workflow. Now open Telegram bot and send a message, like I am sending this message. Now you see the workflow is executing. So you see the workflow is executed successfully. Now we have to check the event is assigned in calendar or not. So now you see the event is assigned successfully. Now we have to check the mail is sent or not. So you see the mail is also sent successfully. And there you have it, a fully automated workflow that brings together Telegram, Google Calendar, and email to handle scheduling with ease. In just a few clicks, you've transformed a simple message into a powerful chain of actions, creating calendar events, sending personalized emails, and keeping everyone informed, all effortlessly. This flow isn't just about saving time, it's about creating smarter, more efficient ways to work. Whether you're managing meetings, coordinating with clients, or simply streamlining your day, automation with n8n empowers you to focus on what truly matters. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video to show your support. Share it with your friends, colleagues, and fellow automation enthusiasts who could benefit from this game-changing workflow. And for more tutorials, tips, and tricks to supercharge your productivity, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining us on this journey to automation mastery. Until next time, keep automating and unlocking your full potential.